Welcome to Spring Papers, where I share relaxing time with me videos, journaling and other actionable life hacks to be the best version of yourself, ADHD life hacks, and content creation and other app-related tutorials. I've shared several haul videos for LeelaJournals stationery shop. In this video, I am sharing how I use her stationery. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It encourages the YouTube algorithm to show you similar videos and helps the channel. Always remember that you as a person matter.